Yeah,
Let's go for it.
Okay, let me just get into it a little bit. Hi, my name's Ash. We're here at SRD Tuning, and I'm going to take you guys on a tour. So right now, we're in our Dino Cell. It's been a long slog building this Dino Cell, but it is one of the best Dino Cells in the UK. We have massive sound insulation around the entire room. We've also got 35,000 CFM of air flying through the room. So we can clear the air. We're not reburning any of the gases that the engine's producing. So this one here is Matthew Harvey's. This is actually a GE. It's on a Borg Warner 369. It's on some Calford cams, SRD manifold, but it's on 4-inch downpipe, 4-inch midpipe. Yeah, I mean, it's got everything you really want for kind of 900 horsepower. You know, it's a really nice, pleasurable car to be in. So this is actually our chassis room where we do a lot of alignment, suspension, geo stuff. Currently we've got Mike's car actually in here. This is again another GE, G45 1500, 1.15 rear housing, 4-inch downpipe, plasma man intake manifold, 12 injectors, Calford cams, big coils. I mean, gonna be a track car. Running 8 HP, pedal box, cage, Motec M150, PDMs, PDUs, basically the entire wiring loom out of it, mil-spec loom, mil-spec plugs. It's just as kind of as far as you can really go. But yeah, it's a proper stout car. It really is stout car.
Street car.
Street car, right. So this is our assembly room. You've got everything in this room to assemble a car. So it's also, you know, a fairly clean room as well. So another Supra, we are super specialists, SRD Tuning, super specialists. Do other stuff as well, you know, making our way into the GTR stuff. This is 3.4. VVTi, big valve head, big cams, 76, 85. It's going to be a really, really fast car. And we're just, you know, it's a pleasure to build these cars for customers that we have. It's great, it's good fun. This project pretty much starts today. So it's an Ultima RS. It's got a LT5 supercharged engine in it. We're actually going to convert it to Porsche PDK. We wanted the Ultima. 980 kilos, 1100 horsepower, instant response, instant torque. I mean, it is going to be a really, really insane car. So yeah, you can look forward to seeing this on our YouTube channel as well. You know, the build series with carbon everything. It's got every carbon optional extra. Yeah, it's going to be a really, really, really special car. Behind us is Christian's GR Yaris. He's been with us like a year. We've been developing the car with him. Currently running a 700 raw horsepower. It's on a Precision 5862. SRD built manifold. It's a sidewinder, straight cut gearbox, air shift, paddles. It's a really special car. You would have seen this on Jamie's channel, and yeah, it is really fun to drive. They're amazing to drive around track. Yeah, I mean, it's a street car, but also performs really well on track. So right now I'm going to take you into our engine room. So we've got a few different engines on the go here, but the one that's really special is behind me. So here we have Ibrahim's RB32. This is engine number 463 for me, and this is my attempt, an SRD tuning attempt at building an RB. A brand new cylinder head that we started with. It's got Calford cams, oversized valves. I hand ported the entire cylinder head, DLC coated bucket, Pro Mod style manifold, G45 plasma man intake manifold. It's got the PRP integrated girdle. Yeah, we're hoping that the end results with this engine and this combo and this car will be the best in the country. That is what we're going for. You got to have the best parts available, and that will be some of the Aussie stuff. You can't beat it, you know, you really can't. What I'm really looking forward to with this engine is listening to it at like 8.8, 9,000 RPM. So we've got SRD Tuning on our YouTube. We've also got my email address is ash at SRD Tuning. You've got Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all the normal platforms that you work from. So yeah, you can pick us up anywhere. You can see all the progress that we're making and the build series on the Ultima.